In this video I will show you how we do research for a certain niche on Etsy.com. Why on Etsy? Because Etsy gives a lot of information that is not available elsewhere. This can save you a lot of time and also help you to find a profitable product niche in a structured way. To systematize the information, we have developed a special Google spreadsheet document. We have 6 years of experience in sales on Etsy, as well as on other platforms, and we find this analysis system extremely useful. So let's get started. Here is what the file is. Now I will make a copy by giving a name related to the niche I am interested in. And in this video, is digital stickers. Give the date on which we do the research. This is important if we want to see how our competitors develop in the future. You will find out how the table works from the next minutes when we fill it in with real competitors. So, we put the key phrase in Etsy's search. Here is the search result. It is important to say that the result has 2 types, advertised and organically found products. Here you can see the small text, ad by Etsy seller. We don't include those with advertising because we only want organic results. So, we look at the others, judging how appropriate they are, and we are also guided by the number of reviews. You can see the number of reviews here. Those that interest us, open in a new window by pressing Ctrl and clicking. Now starting to gather information. Since we have opened a specific product, we click on the name of the shop to go there. Copy the name. Put it here. Copy the URL and paste it as well. Enter the country of the shop. Sometimes this information is missing. We record the number of sales and the number of products, as well as the year from which the shop was opened. However, sellers may hide this information. That's why we click on the page with the oldest reviews, and so we settle for the year. We're filling in the information. We must also fill in the average price of the products. The table calculates the remaining fields automatically. You see the average income per year, as well as the total for the entire period of operation of the shop. I will explain the meaning of the index and mark fields in a moment. We repeat the same with all the other shops we have considered. I personally do it with 10 shops. So, here's the table filled out. As you can see, in addition to structured and organized information about competitors with links, it provides information about annual sales, total sales, and how old the shop is. In the INDA field, the higher the number, the better the shop of one product wins. This does not mean that the owner earns more overall. If he made one product in one day and made $1,000 a year, and his competitor made 100 products in 100 days and made $2,000, who's doing better? The mark column just helps us visually orient ourselves. The darker the blue, the better you earn from one product. We believe that sharing our little secrets will be useful for some of you. If you liked the video, you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you and see you soon.